You can see here, I can move everything. B this one, the small, the a square, the b plus b square equal to c square. Okay, this one is a square, b square, and c square. So what is a square? No, 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 using this one. I'm going to use this one. Sorry, yeah. Okay, so a square and b square, I can move into here. Okay, whereas I going to the b square I divide into 4. Okay, 4 parts here. Okay, whereas parallel to this line is parallel to the another side here for the c square. Okay, after that I move so what is meaning we are going to move over there. Okay, you can see. Okay, so actually is I can move everything a square and b square into c square. I move it now I'm going to move on. Okay, I'm going to move. I think okay, I can move over there. Move this one, this part, and this one part go to here. This part I'll go another side here. Yeah, yeah. Okay. Another one is to be here, go to here. Yeah, move everything here. So this one is a b square already put into the c square here. Another is this one, the middle one. Middle is square. You move over here. Yeah, you can see very clear now. So actually it's a square b equal to b square. Now a b c triangle ABC. So a square plus b square is equal to c square. I reverse, this one come from here. It's a square one. Okay. I go this one. This one you can move this one also. Go to where is go to here. Okay. This one then go to over here. I can see very clear, and also we are going to move this one again. Pull it back. C square is a square times b square. So you can see very clearly. You don't need to use calculation anymore. You try to visualize the area. This one is about this one. So you come here, you can see. So a square plus b square is equal to c square. A square plus b square equal to c square. Where's a right angle triangle ABC here. Okay, very clear.